91% of businesses are using social media platforms for marketing purposes. In terms of influencer marketing, it seems that the two giants to contend with are YouTube and Instagram. YouTube boasts 1.5 billion active monthly users, while Instagram has more than over 500 million users who spend at least 5 minutes each day on the site. But not all the social media platforms are alike. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. Ever heard of Reels? Well, it's back and rebranded as YouTube Shorts. Keeping up with competitors like Snapchat and Instagram, the video giant is sharing its own spin on the popular disappearing content feature. If you already create videos for the YouTube, you should get ahead of the game before YouTube Stories goes completely public. Right now, only certain creators have the access. Here we have outlined what you really need to know alongside the differences between the YouTube version and the Instagram you can expect to see if you get the chance to use it. Keep watching as we compare the YouTube stories to the Instagram stories. YouTube versus Instagram stories. Let's start with the basic and first understand how your content and audience varies on YouTube versus Instagram story. YouTube stories disappears after 7 days, which is very different from the Instagram stories, which currently limit your content to 24 hours. They likely to show up in a subscriber feeds and some watch pages, but fans can check all of them out on the stories tab of your channel on mobile only. And after they disappear, you'll still be able to review comments from each video through the YouTube Studios for a full 30 days. Though there is a special feature for the YouTube Stories, which is a beta function only available for a few channels with more than 10,000 subscribers. By the way, if you reach 10,000 subscribers while the program is still in beta, YouTube warns that it might take up to 4 weeks for your stories option to get activated. But once you are accepted, your YouTube stories will be visible to both subscribers and non-subscribers. How to create YouTube stories? It's as simple as you can imagine. Open your YouTube app on mobile and swipe right to begin recording. You can also tap the camera icon and then select Create Story. Upload videos or photos from your gallery or record something on the spot. Edit, share, and monitor. Clip your footage with a YouTube video maker or add special effects, then hit publish. Analytics will be available during the 7-day lifespan of the past and 30 days after it expires. Next comes up how to create Instagram stories. Open your Instagram app on mobile and swipe right to begin recording. You can also tap the camera icon and then select Create Story. You can upload videos or photos from your gallery or record something on the spot. Completely depends on your choice. Now simply edit, share, and here you can add music and special stickers. Here analytics will be available for the next 24 hours. You'll be able to know which person have reacted or seen your story. And with that said, do let me know where you want to grow, YouTube or Instagram. As a creator, I'm really excited to know what excites you more and where you like to invest your time, Instagram stories or YouTube stories. Do comment below and let us know. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And I'll see you soon in the next video with another great value, with another great lesson on the content creation. Till then, keep growing, keep creating, and bye-bye.